So all interior framing, it's about 99% done. Wrapping up today by the end of the day. We've got in-wall MEP going on and overhead, running water lines in wall, above ceiling, duct work. It'll be complete by the end of the week. In-wall electrical, so we're running outlets, switches, water lines, sprinkler lines. So that's kind of what's going on here. These small additions, like every 2 weeks, it's night and day, completely different. So timber sage, structure, steel structure's complete. Began exterior framing on Monday. That'll be an 8-day duration, so that'll go into next Wednesday. So we've got our roof drain rough and complete. We've got a roof drain here, a roof drain on that other flat roof, draining out. Slightly different structure than Prairie Creek. This sloped roof actually goes all the way back into the wall, rather than Prairie Creek having that U-looking flat roof.
Electricians wrapping up a few loose ends. They've still got overhead work to do that they can do while we're hanging sheetrock. Should start hanging sheetrock tomorrow. Along with that, the mason is going to start delivering material tomorrow. Probably Monday before we really see him take off, but that'll be nice to get the outside going. And the roof's pretty much done, minus a few finishing touches.
Okay.
Yeah, the ceiling will just come in and then it'll do this to tie into the top of the door.
Okay.
And then ramp and stairs.
That'll follow the mason. So the mason has about 3 weeks from start to finish. You're about a month from doing that.